News today. Do we got news? Jolts. Fuck Jolts, bro. That's so booty. Unemployment 830. Not do shit. Yo, what up, Foo guys? What up, Zodihawk? Zodihawk? Yo. Alright, off open. Let's see what we're gonna do. 10 seconds. And then we're probably just gonna shoot bearish, maybe. Go for this London low really quick. Who knows? Yeah, what up, Space Ninja? That is, we got some interesting names in here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. My sound is always max, but I always hear you not very good. Oh shit, my bad. All right, how about now? My mic seriously that low? I just probably was kind of far away. Trust me, if I had my my mic at max volume, bro, you guys would be, I would feel bad for your guys' ears. All right, we took that low. That was an easy read, nothing crazy. Next level probably 609 potentially. On the 4 hour, 1 hour, I got nothing. Yeah, next area that I'm looking at is potentially 609. If we start reversing right here, then we could be long. This doesn't look bad for longs either. Ideally, like, let's see. I mean, ES is trying to push past these London lows, so it might break down. But if we hold this London low on NQ, if we hold this London low on NQ and start inversing to the upside, that's not bad. So kind of my two scenarios right here is if we continue to sell off right here, then probably short bias. But if we somehow manage to hold close back above, then it shoot higher. Looks like we might be selling off. Let's see, looking to bounce at 24,500. Yeah, that's a long ways to go actually. Wait, what's at that 24,500? 24,500. Yeah, I'm thinking like 24,600 first before. But we could also bounce right here, so yeah, there it is. Psych level. Oh, I see. All right. I mean, if we close back above here, super strong, that could be a good sign for longs for sure. But it's just the only thing I'm scared about is ES is a little bit weaker right now. But if we close back above over here, potentially long. That's a nice candle closure for short though, but I don't like that. Bearish breakout. Potentially. We have 21 November. New week opening gap, not completely filled with strong 1 hour low in the fair value gap. There's some price maybe want to go there first before going higher. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, I think just based on how we react within this fair value gap could give me my short-term bias for drawn liquidity. We'll see. You would have taken these shorts if not for market open. Yeah, I mean, this was like somewhat of an, I wouldn't say a clean read, but like market open was right here, right? I probably would have tried to enter right here within this area, just simple fact that you know, potentially targeting the London lows. I thought that was maybe an easy read, so maybe, I don't know. Nothing's easy in the market though, for sure. But yeah, anyone of you guys trading with Lucid right now? How you guys liking Lucid? Okay, if we close back above, I feel like if this closes above, this could definitely go higher. Not much of an SMT though, but like you'd have to do something kind of wacky right here. The giant stop, bro. I don't like this fucking fill at all. All right, well, I'm gonna get ready to go long. I think I'm gonna wait for this next candle, see what happens. If we continue to all right, I'm in. Fuck it. You know, I'll have like a weird stop, bro. All right, well, I'm already break even, bro. Fuck that. We already took this internal high, so I'm not gonna try to risk it. So if we go, we go. If we don't, I'll just be break even. I'll retry this long if we retrace down here. Okay, yeah, I'll make it. Gave it a try. I gave it a try. So like I said, I will give it a retry if we get to this fair value gap right here. And retrace. I need a strong candle closure out of this gap though instead. Space Ninja, that's smart, bro. Yeah, just learn from your past mistakes, and yeah, you got it. That's perfect. Learn. That's what trading is just slowly adjusting to what works, what doesn't work. And if you found that that doesn't work, then and you found a system for it, that's perfect. You got rules set up for yourself. That's all you need. So we get a strong candle closure. I'm looking at that. If not, and we close back below here, if we close back below 750, then that might send a short, but we'll see. I do like the sweep though. Okay, so ideally right now this new candle, so 50 seconds obviously for this new candle open. Okay, well, it's not gonna happen anymore, but could end up selling. Two unique scenarios. If we break below 750 maybe, then that could send us lower. If we somehow manage to close and close strong right here, we're gonna shoot higher. Yep, I mean, no chance for entry, bro. I don't want us to keep pushing it. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get an entry. That was a clean tap though. Space Ninja, I have a feeling that today might be choppy. Yesterday was just straight down. Yeah, I mean that's definitely possible, but you know, we also have targets, so hopefully that we just don't do that, you know, hopefully. I mean, there's the technical entry right here, but you would be break even immediately right here, right? So you would already be break even, take that internal and just try to hold for maybe this swing high up here. Or you could just scale out a little bit. I don't like this stop loss though, but I mean, this was like the confirmation entry for me, this specific candle right here. Once we close strong out of this fair value gap, That's my sign to go enter the trade. However, we already took this internal liquidity right here, meaning I don't know what kind of the reaction is off of this swing high. So it's just best for me to go break even and not risk anything. And you know, in the off chance that it somehow manages to push up, great. If it stops me break even, that's also great. It's fine. I'm in this long on ACFD because I don't really trade FEG retraces, only IFEG, but didn't like that close, so only eval play. Nice. That's smart. Ideally, we just keep pushing right here. Unfortunately, I didn't get in on my funded, so I'm just kind of calling it out as I see. Want to fill that unfilled 15-minute? Let's go ahead and check that. Yeah, actually, I really like that. So that's an unfilled 15-minute. We have room to push back all the way back to 25,000. So we have room to push all the way back to 25,000. And then from there, if we continue to close back above 25,000, then we're definitely going to go back to 25,000, like 160 maybe. We're going to retarget those yesterday's previous Asia highs. I'm trading my Lucid funded. So 930 is the objective right now. So you could have definitely scaled out a little. This right here offers a potential retrace entry. So right here, if we get a closure, so it's the same type of play. So if we get a retrace and a strong candle closure out of it, it's gonna be the same play. So we get a strong retrace, or sorry, if we get a nice retrace and a strong candle closure out of it, then that's a re-entry. This could be a re-entry. So if you miss this first entry over here on this candle, then potentially, I don't know how this candle is going to close right here, but that could offer a retrace. Obviously, you would not enter on this candle. It would have to be a strong candle closure, like no wicks, basically. But honestly, that looks like a decent candle for long. All right, that's TP1. So get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. That's TP1, bro. I don't fucking know if we go all the way back to 25,000. So that's TP1. Go break even. 1,000,000% you should be break even. If you are not break even, that's crazy, bro. Go break even. Save yourself the mental space, mental capital. This was a 80-point trade right here. Pretty free. Anyone take this? That was a free 80-point trade. The stop on this, there wasn't really any legit stop, so let me check the RR, the hypothetical RR, if I did take it. I mean, I probably have my stop below like 820. So this would have been like a 2R trade potentially, for sure. But that's why I'm saying scale out when I did, right? Scale out, and we probably would have been tagged break even right here. So scaled out TP1 and then break even on the rest right there. So nice trade. Not the bad. Not the bad. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Well, I mean, we still have a chance to hold this fair value gap right here, and obviously retake these double equal highs, these equal highs that we have. But we are just pushing too much right now. I need the market to chill out for a little bit, bro, before we do anything, so I could get an actual entry. I need the market to chill out so I can get an actual entry, bro. I don't like that. That's not that. This is not. So for me, this is not an entry. This right here is not even close, remotely close to an entry. This is a terrible close. I do not like that. Like a legit entry for me is this type of candle where like the closure has no top wick. So if we're bullish, no top wick. Basically, this one also is a nice candle. This one right here is a nice candle. This one is a nice candle. This one is a nice. Oh, oops. This one is a nice candle. Not this one. This one's not a good one. I don't really like that one. I don't really like that one. I don't like that one. So if we close strong right here, this could be nice. Close strong with my question. All right, I mean, so if we continue to push, I'll give it a try. All right, I mean, I think I'll give it a try, but yo, what's up, Mizu? So this is a funded play for me, technically. So I'll go break even immediately again. So once you take this internal high, go break even. So yo, what's up, Mizu? Yo. If we hold, we could get to 25,071. Wait, what's that? 25,071. Oh yeah, for sure. 25,071. Yeah, I like that area. All right, there's that internal high, so break even. Yeah, see what happens. I mean, it's like right at my right at my break even basically, so. Alright, that's break even for me. Dude, it kind of just sucks because, I mean, on other typical days, I mean, sure, I don't like to get break even, but like, it's fine at the same time. It's just getting break even on these types of plays it kind of sucks because like, I just have to follow the rules, the system, right? But like, my entry is right when I have to go break even, bro. It's kind of unfortunate. Because I'll enter the trade and... But like my entry is right at the liquidity level basically. So I mean technically I could just scale out at this internal high, but yeah. I've been good, Mizu. I've been good. Yeah, the only thing worse than missing a trade is getting out before it runs. Or getting break even before it runs. Exactly. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if see today market choppy today market choppy lately. I lost my eval. That's a GG, brother. That's a good try. Learn from it, get better, come back again, get that funded account, and get that payout. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. Okay, so I mean, looking at ES, right? Looking at ES, we definitely have not taken this internal high yet, which I mean, sure it is an actually, yeah, we haven't taken, so it is technically an SMT, but I would not be surprised if ES does want to finish it off. Let's see, I was making breakfast and forgot to set my limit for 850 longs. That is unlucky. Oh yeah, you would have not, yeah, this would have been an insane fill, bro. Holy. Yeah, you would have gotten a nasty entry right here. That would have been a really good entry. Justin Werline is also in longs here. Nice. Good for Justin. Actually, we can go ahead and check out Justin right now, bro. Let's go ahead and check Justin Werline out real quick. Oh, there he is. Let's see. Let's see what my boy Justin is doing.
To the tighter lows here. I want to see just
this is the guy
move candle right now
that helps me understand most of how my understanding of the market works for now. But Lanto at the same time. So if you guys don't know Lanto, check out Lanto for sure. This is the guy that I trade most similar to. So if you guys want to, he's been posting hella recaps recently. So go ahead and check it out. This is the guy, Lanto right here. I recommend both. So Justin helped me understand most of the like how the market works, liquidity and stuff like that. And then Lanto helped me simplify my execution and really understand how to utilize overnight price to my advantage. Yeah, he's on longs. Good for him. Nice trade. Let's see, what was his entry? So he got in off of, what did he get off of? Oh, so the strong channel closure, but I mean, I'm sure he had like another reason for entering. I think that was the same entry as me right here. So I think he entered off of this right here and just held. So this is his current trade. What's his name again? Lanto. So I'll put it in the chat for you. So Justin Werline for equal liquidity slash draw on like dash market structure, and then do Lanto, and then Lanto equal execution. So check out both of them. I recommend, highly recommend both of them. So if you guys want to learn how to trade like me, or just kind of simplify your trading, keep it minimum, there you go. My market is, or my camera's frozen. I also do have a video on my YouTube on like basically my strategy. So yeah, Lanto is on Twitter. Yeah. So I'll show you right now. So he's the one that got like a couple million or like 500K in a day. Like Lanto, like that's him. Let's see. So Lanto right here, or wait. Where the fuck is it? Oh, right here. This is Lanto right here. So let's see. November 5th, he made 500K. November 6th, he made 162K. November 7th, he made 600K. November 10th, 186K. This is the guy. So I learned a lot from him. Dude, this would have been a fucking insane trade, bro. Okay, let's see what the original entry was. We got in right here, right? Or like the original call out was right here. Would have been a nice trade, bro. Would have been a nice trade. Still like longs a bit. I still like longs. I'll be a little bit hesitant though, just because we took like kind of this midpoint, right? Not this I mean, I wouldn't be scared, but I'll just be a little bit careful because we did sweep liquidity, right? This 4 hour is bullish. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we're flipping on the 4 hour for sure. I mean, just overall in the higher time frame, it looks bearish though. Like I will say, like overall higher time frame, it just looks bearish. Just been selling off, but that shouldn't scare us away from longs. I'll just be a little bit cautious. 1A. Yeah, but if you guys are ever curious on who I follow or like who I recommend for trading, just go to my Twitter, bro. Like these are all legit traders that I recommend. Check out Desi too, bro. I love my boy Desi over here. He made let's see, 900K in payouts on Apex. This is crazy, bro. 66K each. It's also pretty insane. Kane as well. Kane is also pretty good. He has some. He's a little bit more advanced in terms of like execution. Like he waits. He's definitely a lot more patient than I am. I'm more of like a scalper, like intraday. He'll hold for a while. Same with Lanto. They both hold, but like in terms of like what he looks for in a trade, he utilizes like standard deviation. So like for example, like this swing right here, like he would measure out the standard deviation of this, project it out. And what you're basically expecting is this is going to be the manipulation leg, and like using math and a whole bunch of complicated shit, like he projects that this could be a potential retrace zone. And what were we saying earlier about $25,000, or sorry, 25,000 psych level being like a potential reversal, right? Well, why would that make sense? Well, it's because I believe on the 15-minute, right? So it's kind of like the fill on the 15-minute. Like, you know, we could tap into this area and then reject potentially. I don't know. It's just a whole bunch of complicated shit. I don't know. I won't get into it, but let's see. I'm hoping this 4-hour became a rejection block. I don't really study rejection blocks, so I don't really know much about. I know it's just like a wick though. So let's see. I'll be honest, I don't really find rejection blocks useful. That's me personally, but we'll see. I believe this is what you're talking about. So something like this, right? Maybe bounce off of 760, right? 760 maybe. So maybe I'm assuming that's how rejection blocks work. I'm not 100%, bro. I don't know. I learned from the 2016 mentorship from ICT, and then the 22, so 2022 mentorship and the 2016 one. A lot of liquidity to the upside, it seems. I think we're out of liquidity for the most part. I mean, the only other liquidity is the one that we just kind of had right here. I wouldn't really call this liquidity. I mean, sure, it's like unfilled fair value gap, so you know there is liquidity within this, but actually no, yeah, you're right. I mean, up here there's a shit ton of liquidity. Yeah, there's a shit ton of liquidity right here, so for sure. But like, I feel like that's just too far away at the moment, where, you know, if we try to do push up, so if we do try to push up right here, like we'll kind of like stall before we even get close to this like magnet level. Reject. Yo, what up, Wayabi? Yo. Morning. But yeah. So we're just rejecting so far, which is fine. I was kind of expecting that. So I mean, if we close below here, this could be a potential short-term short. So if we close back below here, 24,800. Let's see. That's if we could do that, you know. Like this would be a trade idea for sure, where you do something like this, go break even, TP1 right here, just like a nice quick R 1-to-1 R. Probably no candle closure entry right here though. If we close, so we'd have to wait 20 seconds for this closure, but ideally we don't sell off too much yet. I wonder if my paper trade works right now. Oh, it does. Alright, we'll see. Alright, there's a closure. If we continue sell off, I'll take it. I'll take it. Stop loss could be a couple spots. I mean, you could do it right here maybe, or up here if you want to be safe. And then break even, like I said, TP1 is gonna be right here. I will say, this area, like if we close back above right here now, like this could be for sure an interesting spot where we go reverse back. But I mean I just want to see a quick short term like sell sequence just to be healthy. But I don't know, we'll see. But for sure, if we like manage to kind of retrace within this area and we close back above, for sure I think we go back to this swing high. That's why I'm saying, like, if we were to kind of be healthy right now in the market, I want us to shoot down for maybe this swing low first before we do anything. So honestly, like if I get up 20 points maybe, you could just go break even. So like at this 80 level, that 780 level, that could also just be a free break evens point. $760 might have a nice bounce. 760, yeah, I'm thinking the same. Like if we sweep 760, that's definitely a bounce potential area. Okay, well, all right, go break even. Let me go break even on my 500. Bro, I went like 2 micros. This was like a super downsized play. Big stop. Y'all like the calls though, or what? Is this not free, or? I mean, if y'all didn't make money, bro, I don't know. That's some free call outs. I don't think we've been wrong. So let's see how many calls we've played out so far, or how many plays. So we've called out the very first market open play, and then we called out this like tap to the upside play, and then I took this one on my funded to the upside, so that's already 3 for 3. I think it was just 4 for 4 now, so we're 4 for 4, which is nice. Alright, that's bullshit, bro. That's bullshit. Y'all see this? I didn't get filled, bro. I didn't get filled. I did not get filled, bro. What the fuck? That's some bullshit. Come on, fill me, bro. Yo, what kind of candle is this bullshit? What the fuck is that? Look, I'm clearly up, bro. It's not taking me out of the fucking trade. Hello? Oh, 10 a.m. jolts. Jolts is usually like an indication of like where liquidity wants to go, right? So I mean, there's that trade. Pretty simple trade. Yo, who took the short though? Anyone take that short? Anyone take that short? W in the chat. W. Pretty nice trade, I'd say. I'd give this trade like maybe a B plus. It was a free trade. You know, it was nice. Maybe an A. I'm not too sure how I would rank this. It was just like I don't like this chop right here. Like the only reason it wasn't A plus or like an A trade was like no V-shape recovery. I would have liked the V-shape recovery inversion and then short, but we're kind of just hanging around right here, and then we kind of decide to sell off, which is fine. It's not bad. So I mean, if you're still holding, this would have been like a 100-point trade already. I only secured it for about 50 points. W short, I didn't get a retracement to enter. That's unlucky, bro. That's unlucky. Yeah, I prefer the inversions over the retraces sometimes. That's just me though. That's just me though. I feel so bad whoever's not watching our live stream right now, bro. They are missing out on some big money. See, I'm the only live streamer. Okay, never mind. I was gonna make a bold claim, but I'm not gonna fucking do that. I am definitely not that. But that's it for me for today, guys. I'm done, bro. I'm good. That's it. This was pretty clean. I think the PA today was not bad. Ideally, I think we just moved a little bit too much at times when I think we should have waited for my entry. I think we should have waited for a little bit for my entry before they do anything. But I mean, overall, nothing much to complain about. We did get a nice entry on the short. Easily the best trade of the day. So yeah. Can you read my comment? Let me see. Good morning. Yes, I can read your comment. Wayabi, yes, I can see it. But yeah, that's it for me from today, guys, or for today, guys. That's it. I will see y'all tomorrow for Friday's open as well. Enjoy the rest of y'all's day. If you guys do decide to continue trading, trade safe. Bro asked if I took this. Hey, Fugas, I know you took this. I know you took this. Let me check. Let me check. I know you took this, bro. Don't worry. Oh wait, oh yeah. So you got off the fucking. Okay, no, you got this one. I mean, I would have taken the same. I did take the same one. I don't even know if you got. There's no way you got an entry, did you? This shit went too fast. This one went way too fast. Oh no, you did get in. Oh no, you got in the retrace, bro. See? So you got in on the retrace. Hell yeah. Nice tap. Yeah. So for me, like, obviously my entry was late in the terms of like that's just how I wait. I wait for confirmation, but like you got nice fucking beautiful entry. Oh my god. Okay. Oh wait, and you took the fucking short. Okay, so let's see. Brother, stop playing. Okay, Fugas. Oh fuck yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Fucking demon. Hell yeah. Good shit, brother. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful trade right here. All three. So hey, you reading it? You reading the market like a demon right now, Fugas? Yeah, hell yeah. Good executions too, brother. You got way better executions than me for sure. I was a little bit late on my entries, but yeah, you got in on the CISD up here. Holy shit. Wait, no. 28. So you got in 24,872, 872. Brother, your short entry was up here? Holy fuck. Yo, what the fuck? You had a way better fill than me. I waited another 50 points for that shit. Oh my god. Okay. Hey, W's for Fugas in the chat, bro. Holy shit, he is a demon. Yo, what up, Sam Trades? That's unlucky, brother. You missed out on like 4 trades that we called out live, brother. Just replay the video because I'm about to hop off, but been cooking after the big pause on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, Sam, replay the video and then just check out how we came to all our different trades, just to review. Unfortunately, I am hopping off right here. That is it from me. I was playing, but I was planning to. I used Alpha Futures instead. Let's see. Yeah, Alpha Futures, Lucid, whatever. Just check them out. Let me know how you guys think about it. Also, use my code. I appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow morning. Good luck on your trading. Stay safe. Have a good rest of your day. Talk to your mom. Talk to your dad. Have a good breakfast. Have a good dinner. Have a good lunch. Everything. And yeah, post your trades in the Discord so I can review them. Let me know. Yeah, I'll see y'all later.